In the sprawling, steam-choked city of Gearhaven, where brass gears turned the streets and airships hummed like mechanical bees, knowledge was the most dangerous commodity. The Grand Archive, a labyrinthine library of living books, was the city's heart, and its prison. Eira, the Clockwork Librarian, was the archive's keeper. Her body was a marvel of engineering, a brass spine, a heart of ticking cogs, and eyes that glowed like molten gold. She could hear the books whispering, their pages rustling with secrets, their spines creaking with forgotten histories. But Eira had a secret of her own: she was once human. The cursed Eira's transformation was punishment for stealing a Forbidden Tome, a book that contained the Chronos Codex, a formula to manipulate time. The archive's overseer, Magister Voss, had caught her mid-heist and fused her soul with a clockwork body. "You'll guard the knowledge you sought to steal," he'd said. "Forever." But Eira's human memories lingered, fragments of a life before gears and oil. She remembered a sister, Eira, who'd vanished years ago. And she remembered the Chronos Codex's promise: to rewrite time is to rewrite fate. The heist when a masked thief broke into the archive. Eira caught him rifling through the forbidden section. But instead of sounding the alarm, she hesitated. The thief's movements were familiar, fluid, precise, like Eira's. "Who are you?" Eira demanded, her voice a metallic rasp. The thief removed their mask. It was Eira, older, scarred, but unmistakable. "I'm here for the Codex," she said. "To undo what Voss did to you." Eira's gears stuttered. "You don't understand. The Codex isn't a tool, it's a trap. It consumes whoever uses it. Then we'll burn it," Eira said. "But I'm not leaving without you." The Codex. The sisters found the Codex in the Vault of Echoes, a chamber where time bled like ink. The book pulsed with a sickly light, its pages filled with equations that shifted as they watched. "It's alive," Eira whispered. "It wants to be used." As they reached for it, the vault's defenses activated. Chronos sentinels, mechanical guardians that moved faster than sight. Eira fought with blades forged from shattered clockwork, while Eira used her librarian's key to manipulate the vault's gears, slowing time itself. But the Codex resisted. Its pages lashed out like whips, slicing Eira's brass skin. "It's feeding on us," she realized. "Every second we're near it." The sacrificed Eira grabbed the Codex. "I'll destroy it. You get out." "No." Eira's voice cracked. "I've already lost you once." "You never lost me," Eira said, her eyes glistening. "I've been fighting to get back to you since the day you disappeared." She opened the Codex. Time unraveled. The rewrite Eira woke in her human body, standing in the archive's lobby. The Codex was gone. Eira was gone. Magister Voss approached, his face unreadable. "You've been absent," he said. "Is everything in order?" Eira's hands trembled. She remembered the Codex's final whisper: "To rewrite time is to erase yourself." She nodded. "Everything's fine." But in the forbidden section, a new book appeared, its cover etched with a single word: Eira. The Echo Eira became the Clockwork Librarian again, her human memories fading like ink in water. But sometimes, when she shelved a book, she'd hear a whisper: "I'm still here." And in the Vault of Echoes, the Codex's pages rustled, waiting for the next fool brave enough to rewrite fate.